Hey my lovely crafty friends, I'm back with another leftover yarns project. In today's video, we're diving into a super fun project, a quick and easy crochet square motif chicken keychain. Prefer for beginners or anyone who loves a cute fast project. This cute chicken make perfect little gift can be sold at craft fairs or simply added to brighten up your everyday keys. Come and stitch with me. Bring your leftover yarn scraps and all we need is the hook and scissors, a needle, doll eyes and fiber. Okay, let's do this. Make a slip knot on your hook and chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join with the slip stitch to the first chain. Insert your hook, bring the yarn out and pull through 2 loops. Okay, this is our little ring here. Bring your tail of the yarn and make 2 chains and go to the circle. Bring the yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops and then make 1 chain. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops, skip here. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the circle, bring the yarn out and pull through 2 loops and pull through 3 loops. This is how we make 2 double crochet 2 together. Okay, then make 1 chain. Again, make 2 double crochet 2 together plus 1 chains. Do this until the end, until you receive to the 12 2 together double crochet and 12 1 chain space. Okay, in the end join with the slip stitch to the first chain and then cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off and secure it between the stitches. Just moving between the stitches very slowly, don't push too hard the needle, and after that cut the tail of the yarn very close to the hiding place here. And for the round 2, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, start from any chain space, bring the yarn out from there and then pull through 2 loops, skip it. Again, make second one and third one and fourth one, just making double crochet in the one step and then pull through all the loop you have on your hook and then make 2 chains. Go to the next chain space, again make 4 double crochet 2 together, 3 and 4 and pull through all the 5 loops on your hook and then make 2 chains. Again, into the next chain space, make 4 double crochet. Don't complete your double crochets. In the end, you have 5 loops on your hook and then pull through all the loops. Do this until the end. In the end, join the slip stitch to the first stitch here and cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Okay, and now for the round 3, we must making our flower to the square shape. Let me cut my tail of the yarns here and bring your next color and make a slip knot on your hook, wrap yarn around your hook 2 times, start from any chain space you like, bring the yarn out from there and pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops as a 1 triple crochet. Okay, then make 2 chains and make 2 triple crochet into the same space, 1 and 2. For the triple crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook 2 times and then bring the yarn out and pull through 2 loops 3 times, and make 1 double crochet into the same space and go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet into there, and again go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet into there, 1, 2, and 3, and go to the next chain space, make 1 double crochet, 2 treble stitch, 1, 2, and make 2 chains, again 2 treble crochet into the same stitch, 1, 2, and 1 double crochet. This is our corner spaces. Okay, for all corner spaces, do this diagram, and for the each side of the square, in the 2 chain spaces, make 3 double crochet into each of them. So first chain space and the second chain space, 3 double crochet into each of them. Okay, 2 and 3. For the next chain space, here we are making the corner stitches, 1 double crochet, 2 treble, 2 chain, 2 treble, 1 double. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, in the last chain space here, make 1 double crochet, 1 treble, and join with the slip stitch to the first stitch that we had made here. Okay, this is our square. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Do this with any diagram you want, just like you always do. Okay, and hide it. If you're enjoying this video, why not stick around? I'd love to have you as a part of our crochet loving family. Then please hit the notification bell and subscribe button. I would be happy. Okay, make 2 of these square and then place them together, and now we must joining them by the needle or a hook. If you want, you can use the hook and join them together. I want to join them by a needle today. Insert my needle under the stitch from the both sides, place them together, and just making the sewing and joining them together by sewing them. I'm placing 2 motifs on top of each other and joining them together by using a needle and simply stitches. Which colors combo would you choose for your aunt dreamy keychain? Let me know in the comment below. I'd be so happy to see your work. If you try this pattern, feel free to send me a photo via email or Instagram. You'll find the links in the description below. Every stitches mean a lot to me, and so do you. If you fell in love with these chickens, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let me sewing it. Look. Okay, do this for this place here. When you receive to the end here, must open our 2 squares like this and place them together, and joining these sides. As I said to you, you can use the hook for joining them. If you don't know how to use the hook for joining your squares. You can find the methods for the joining the squares together in my beginners stitches playlist. Join the other side and skip the back side for the putting your fiber into there. Okay, now I filled my crochet chicken filled with the polyester fiber fill like this. Make the little circle of the polyester fiber fill and place them into the chicken's belly. Just keep stuffing the cheek until reach the softness you like, okay? Now sewing up the opening we left for the stuffing by using a needle. Okay, place them together and just keep going by sewing. Cut the tail of the yarns and done. This is our chicken body for the comb. Bring your color, make a slip knot on your hook and bring it out from the first double crochet here of the corner. Look here, insert your hook into the stitch, first stitch of the corner space, and bring the yarn out from there. Make 2 chains, 1 double crochet into the same stitch and 2 chains and a slip stitch into the same stitch. I make my stitches over the tail of the yarn. Go to the next stitch, make a slip stitch into there. Again, make 2 chains plus 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Make a slip stitch into the same stitch and go to the next stitch, make a slip stitch into there. Again, make 2 chains. Sorry, my yarn was stuck. Go to the next chain and make 2 chain and 1 double crochet and 2 chains, a slip stitch into the same stitch. Make 1 more, a slip stitch, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chains and a slip stitch. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. This is our chicken's comb. Okay, hide the tail of the yarn by the needle, cut the extra tail of the yarns in there, and now for the beak, bring your yellow yarn. As you can see, it's a very little yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook into the next stitch here, bring the yarn out from there, make 2 chains, 1 double crochet and 2 chains. All these stitches must make into the same stitch. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off by the needle. Okay, and now for the wattle with your red color yarn. Insert your hook into the next stitch next to the beak and make 2 chains, 1 double crochet and 2 chains, plus 1 slip stitch into the same stitch here, and cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. And now for the tail feathers, make a slip knot on your hook, insert your hook into the middle of the chicken's back here, and bring the yarn out from there. Make 2 chains, 1 double crochet and 2 chains, double crochet, 2 chains, and a slip stitch into the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, make a slip stitch into there, plus 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and 1 triple crochet into the same stitch, and again 4 chains plus a slip stitch into the same stitch, and into the next stitch a slip stitch, 2 chains, and for the next stitch make a slip stitch, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and a slip stitch into the same stitch, and cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off as usual. Okay, our chicken's almost done. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn, and now for the eyes, just fix them by the glue here. A little glue and fix it on the chicken face for the other side. Okay, and done. Here is our cute chicken, the sunflower chicken. And now you can join the keychain to it, keychain rope to it, and anywhere you like. I want to fix it in here, and done. It's very cute. And this is his friend. And if you want to make your chicken bigger or smaller, by simply adding the reducing rows to the square motif in this pattern, you can easily customize the size. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave like and comment below, and send it to your friends that you know they love chickens and crocheting some beautiful projects with leftover yarns. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Goodbye.